Hi everybody, welcome back to another lesson about school. Learning more today about what we learn in school. Hello, good afternoon, or good morning, or good evening, depending on what time it is when you're watching this. My name is Adam Sensei, or Adam Lauscher, and I'm looking forward to getting stuck into this lesson with you. Okay, let's learn about school. We have some flashcards for school here. Going to learn about some of the different subjects. So here are the flashcards for my school. We'll start with school subjects. Maths. Maths. Japanese. Japanese. Language. Language. Social studies. Social studies. Science. Science. Music. Music. Art. Art. English. English. PE. PE. Okay, so now let's look at some of the facilities that you might have in your school. Gym. Gym. Art room. Art room. Science room. Science room. Classroom. Classroom. And you're going to have a worksheet to complete as well, so we can test our knowledge and find out how well we sort of retain it and what we might need to work on in the future. So, now we have a little exercise to do. We've got to write your name at the top, so I'll write mine. Adam Sensei / Lauscher. And then you have these pictures here, which represent different subjects, and you've got to match them to the subject name in English. So we've got PE, music, math, or indeed maths, depending on where you are, art, and science. That's PE, music, math, or maths, art, and science. And just draw a line between the subject picture and the name of the subject. Good luck. So, what do you do in the art class? Now, there are lots of things you can do in the art class. You can make, we can draw, we draw, we can paint, we paint, and we can colour, we colour. Now, it's important to say that the way colour is spelled here, C-O-L-O-R, that's how they spell colour in America. But in lots of other English-speaking countries, such as the UK, Ireland, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, we spell it with a U. C-O-L-O-U-R. Now, they're exactly the same, they're said in exactly the same way. It's colour or colour, but depending on where you are, you might see it spelled slightly differently. So just bear that in mind. Repeat after me. Draw.
Draw. Draw.
What do you use for drawing? You can use a pencil, or a coloured pencil, or a crayon. There's a pencil, a coloured pencil, or a crayon. Colour.
Colour. Colour.
And someone here has drawn a nice bunny rabbit with a red bow and a blue sky and green bushes and some trees behind them there. And they've done it with crayons, as you can see. What you use for colouring? These are coloured pencils and coloured crayons. You might also paint in art class. In art class, we paint.
Paint. Paint.
What you use for painting? You can use paintbrushes and you can use paints. So, what do you do in the art class? We make, we draw, we paint, and we colour. Okay, so that's all we have to say about art class. Let's move on now to PE. What is PE? Now, PE is an acronym. That means it stands for a much longer word, or two words in fact. And the words are physical education. But because that's long and hard to say, we shorten it to PE. What do you do in the PE class? We run.
We run. We run.
We jump.
We jump. We jump.
We dance.
We dance. We dance.
And we play sports.
We play sports. We play sports.
Let's work on the worksheet. Golden Kiss Land Unit 8, Session 2. My school too. First of all, write your name. Pause the video. Write your name. Welcome back. Number 1. Choose what you use for painting. Put a circle. Pause the video. Put a circle. Welcome back. Number 2. Repeat after me. What are they? What are they? They are crayons. They are crayons. Trace the grey letter. Pause the video. Trace. Welcome back. Number 3. Color the whole A column pink and the whole B column blue. Color the A column like this. Pause the video. Color the A column pink. Now color the B column blue. Pause the video. Color the B column. What do you do in the PE class? Listen to the teacher that reads the words in the blue column. Choose the right word and circle. Circle what you do in the PE class. Read. I read. Do you read in the PE class? If you read in the PE class, circle number 1. Now, I will read the blue column here. Read. Read. Run. Run. Dance. Dance. Cook. Cook. Eat. Eat. There could be not only one. There could be 2, there could be 3 or 4. But one thing is sure, that it is not only one you can circle. Pause the video. Circle. Welcome back. Number 4. Fill in the blank. We in the PE class. We in the PE class. you answered here. Why don't you use the words that you chose here to fill in these blanks? Pause the video and you can fill in these blanks first. And don't forget to trace the grey letters too. Fill in the blank and trace. Welcome back. We are still in the number 4. Here it says, we don't in the PE class. We don't in the PE class. Now, from number 3, you know what you do not do in the PE class. Why don't you use one of the words here to fill in these blanks? And do not forget to trace the grey letters. Pause the video and fill in the blank and trace.
Now, important to note that this last one here, we play sports. We've added this extra noun here, sports, to show what kind of things we play. Because much like the other words, we play is a sentence in itself, but there are lots of things you can play. You can play card games or video games, but in PE you play sports, running around and exercising. What do you do in the PE class? We run. We jump. We dance. We play sports. Okay, that's the end of the lesson for today. We've covered quite a lot, so well done, everybody. We'll work on the worksheet next week. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you later, alligator.